Today I'm going to show you step by step how to turn yourself into Gamora. If you're a fan of character tutorials, be sure to subscribe for weekly videos. Starting off with Graftobian water activated paint in green, I begin painting my face, and just as I reach my brows, I realize I've messed up and I have not glued them down at all. Backtracking a bit, be sure to glue down your brows. Would you guys like a tutorial specifically for sealing your brows? Let me know in the comments. Back to the green, put an even layer all over your face, forehead, neck, and chest, avoiding the eye area for now. Going in with white body paint, place under your eyes and onto the center of the forehead and nose and blend out with a damp beauty sponge. If you find it's getting too dry to blend, you can mist over with a little bit of water to reactivate the paints as you go. Carry the white down onto your jawline and a little on the center of your chin. Once blended and dry, powder with the translucent powder all over. Blend off the excess powder with a brush. Blend yellow powder onto the white areas. Blend green powder and yellow powder down onto your neck and chest to match. With the darker green powder, carve out the hollows of your cheeks to add shape to the face and blend. Carry onto the forehead edges. Sculpt the details of your neck to define. For the eyes, blend green shadow onto the upper lids above your crease. Next, take a darker gray and sculpt and define your nose into your brows. And as always, blend. Add an orange powder to the lid area below the crease. Carry down onto your lower lids. On the outer third, blend a warm pink onto the orange and carry to the lower lash line. Add a violet shade in the crease and blend up towards the brows. Next, add the warm pink into the crease and blend up halfway. Layer over with the lavender to deepen. Using black body paint, carry a thin line across the whole lid, thinner in the inner corner and then thicker at the outer corners. Extend into a small cat's eye. Use what's left on the brush to blend into the lashes below. With watered down black body paint, draw a thin rounded line along the bottom for the brows. Draw a line along the top of each brow and connect to the outer corners, leaving the fronts open. Continue adding lines with the watered down black body paint using a photo of Gamora for reference. If you find the paint intimidating, you can mark your lines with a black shadow instead to make it blend a little easier for mistakes. Next, using a silver body paint, line below all of your black lines that are horizontal. For the lines running up and down, draw on the left of the lines on the left side of your face, and on the right side of your face, draw on the right side of the line. You won't see these lines too much as you work until the light hits them, so it helps to turn your face as you go. Line your water lines with a black cream liner. Outline your lips with the watered down black body paint to define the edges. Blend with a grayish purple shadow towards the outer parts, fading towards the center. Add a little pink in the center of the bottom lip and a little green into the center of the top lip. For the lashes, we're just going to coat them with the mascara on top and bottom for a natural lash look. And that's it. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. Be sure to subscribe for more videos each and every week, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.